Tidy seed can be placed inside the cage or outside. And as you can see, the bird goes into tidy seed at will, either inside the cage or outside the cage. The only difference is where you place the hook screws. Once you place them on the top, you can hook it on the outside of the cage and allow the feeder door to be held open by tidy seed. If you place them on the front of the cage, obviously you can then hook it inside. That way tidy seed fits most any cage and your bird will not scatter seed. Tidy seed, the no mess bird feeder.